I'm Medina Tustic, working at Virtual Vehicle in Graz, Austria, and I'm the administrative project manager and coordinator of the GreenSPEED project.
And my name is Eloud. I'm the head of product at LeydenJar Technologies here in Eindhoven. In the past 1.5 days, we've had the pleasure to host almost 20 of our European colleagues to discuss the future of battery technology. In total, the GreenSPEED Consortium consists of 11 partners.
We have Virtual Vehicle, the coordinator of the project. We have AVL, BMW, ZSW, ARKEMA, Umicore, and Speira. Also Circuit Foil, Varta Innovation, and Forschungszentrum Juelich. And of course, LeydenJar Technologies.
You know, it's really not all too often that you get the chance to have 20 of the world's leading battery experts in a single room.
We have 7 work packages, so really dedicated working groups working on a specific topic. And for each of these work packages, the technical leaders were able to present the status and also the outlook for the next 6 months.
Apart from all of the inspiring discussion, we've really been able to get to the core of the things that limit tomorrow's battery performance. We also took this opportunity to have a few drinks with work.
Food and drinks, it really helps to get to know each other even better, which is very important for projects, because it's not only about the technical details, but also about the personal relationships you establish.
I would specifically like to thank the European Commission for providing the funding for this important project, but then also the team, Medina and Alex at Virtual Vehicle, to provide us with all of the backbone and administration that are absolutely quintessential to get these things to work. Finally, of course, I have a colleague, Faria, who also did a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to organizing this.
And I would also like to thank also, of course, the Commission, because I think it's very important to be able to work jointly on a specific problem or a challenge, also to be able to really exchange, I think, in a very familiar and super friendly on a family basis way, to really work together on a joint problem and on a joint challenge. And I think that's also the beauty of EU-funded projects. But then also want to thank LeydenJar for the fantastic organization and also for inviting us here, because I think it was a pleasure for all of us also to see and to get to know you guys a little bit better. And of course to Faria and also to Charlotte and also to you. I think we really enjoyed it here.